Weight loss. Consume these 6 drinks just before bedtime to lose weight fast. For a long time, the general consensus among health experts was that we should limit what we consume in the hours before going to sleep. Eating or drinking before bedtime would add extra calories and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease and diabetes. While this may be true when you eat a smorgasbord shortly before wobbling to bed, researchers are now finding that consuming smaller amounts of specific foods can have positive physiological benefits before bedtime. Do you want to lose weight while sleeping? In this video we will tell you about 6 bedtime drinks that can boost weight loss overnight. Number 1. Water. Water contains 0 calories, which gives it a leg up against any other beverage in minimizing calorie intake. Drinking more water has been linked to more restorative sleep and less daytime sleepiness. These results suggest that drinking more water, which is a behavior associated with a number of health benefits, may also be associated with healthy sleep. Of course, drinking any beverage before bed is a balance between risk and benefit. You may reap the health benefits, but if you drink too much, you risk waking up to have to tiptoe to the bathroom in the night. Number 2. Greek yogurt protein shake. Having protein before bed, especially if you've worked out beforehand, helps stimulate the repair and rebuilding of muscle while you sleep. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns. Milk contains calcium and tryptophan, which have both been shown to improve sleep quality. Milk also contains 2 kinds of dairy protein, whey and casein. A good source of casein is Greek yogurt. A Greek yogurt shake before bedtime delivers a healthy dose of casein protein that supplies a steady delivery of amino acids for muscle recovery. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is a known sedative, albeit a mild one. It increases the body's levels of glycine, a neurotransmitter that relaxes your nerves and makes you feel sleepy. In addition, chamomile is good for settling an upset stomach. So, a warm mug of chamomile tea is perfect for relaxing you for bedtime. Chamomile has also been linked to improved glucose control and weight loss. 4 compound in chamomile that, taken together, can modulate carbohydrate digestion and sugar absorption. Number 4. Red wine. Researchers had long believed that there were only 2 types of fat in the body: white fat, where lipids are stored as energy, and brown fat, which burns lipids to produce heat. Scientists have since discovered beige fat, which is generated from white fat but can burn energy similar to brown fat. Resveratrol can enhance this conversion of white fat to beige fat. At high rates, it can prevent obesity. Resveratrol is a naturally occurring compound found in red grapes, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and apples. Resveratrol is but one of a number of antioxidants produced in these fruits. Number 5. Kefir. Kefir is a cultured fermented drink typically made from dairy milk. It's rich in probiotic bacteria and it's a good source of calcium. Kefir has a tart, tangy taste similar to yogurt, but it has a thinner consistency than yogurt, so it's more like a drink. Researchers have suggested that the probiotics in kefir can modulate gut microbiota, which inhibits lipogenesis and promotes fatty acid oxidation. This, in turn, may reduce body weight and prevent obesity. Number 6. Soy-based protein shake. If kefir or Greek yogurt isn't your thing, if you're lactose intolerant, for instance, or on a vegan diet, or if you just want to mix things up a little, a soy-based protein shake can deliver the protein punch while also promoting weight loss. Researchers have shown that soy protein is just as beneficial as other kinds of protein as part of a weight loss program. In one weight loss study, researchers showed that soy foods, in place of other foods, were associated with weight loss and improvements in cardiometabolic risk, without loss of physical function or strength. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.